5406 additional family information. Let's go to this also. I really like this digital application. Parents, children, spouse, sibling. Okay. So this is the applicant. Okay. So let's say if you add spouse or partner or dependent children, you will see their columns, their rows created also. In this case, we have not. So that's why we just see this. So I click on edit. Okay. But one more thing, let me go back. Okay. So you need to do the names in English and in your native language. So English definitely you can type, right? Let's say John Smith. Let's say his father name is Peter Smith. So that you can definitely do. But what about native language? I'll tell you how. So just do English to Hindi. Okay. I mean, whatever your language is. Fine. Let's go now. Oh, I've closed this checklist. We have already gone through that. Yeah. Click on edit. Full name completed. For applicant, it's not a country or territory of birth. Mental status, I select single. Whatever is your email address, I'm just doing sample. Don't do like this. Provide address below, town, country, or territory. So of course, you know your address. I'm just doing sample. Anything is not applicable, you don't need to worry about that. But I think there was some instruction. Let me go back. Page. Yeah, I don't want to do my mistake. If a section does not apply, write not applicable. Yeah, that's what. Okay, now we know. Enter territory of birth. Yeah, single email. Address. Of course, you know your address. I don't have to tell. I'm just doing this, but you provide your proper address. Relationship, conjugal partner. So we'll just do not applicable. Mother. Okay. So let's say his mother name is Jessica. I'm sorry, guys. Jessica Smith. Okay. Remember, guys, we had like to provide native language also. So how are we going to do? That's where we can use Google Translator. Jessica Smith. I think this one is copy, right? Copy. Date of birth. So this guy is from 1998. Let's say his mother is from 1976. Country or territory of birth. India. Marital status. Married. Email address. Whatever it is. Provide address. If this is give city or town, country, territory, and date. Okay. Relationship father. Let's say his father name is Peter Smith. Let's say his father is from 1975. Country, India. Marital status, married. Email. Address below. And we need to get his name in the native language too, as it was written there. I can just go for Mr. Peter. Thank God we are here. Okay, children. So again, in this case, I select not applicable. But as I have said, like definitely seats given, not applicable. If you have multiple child, like you click on add other. Let's say he is the only child, so not applicable. But if you have siblings, mostly people have, so provide test. But for the sample video, I'm not doing. Yeah, continue. Okay.